Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Boleh umdan kasih seli penong boleh umdan kasih ra Trai ni ha factory Thung meh. Beli nak git meh? Ha? Kot me umdan kasih ra. Dan kasih ni Trai apa? Bahapan kerendung bendera split, ban translate don ya. Kasih jungi ban translate ya meh. Don ya. Ha?
Kahnyo Trai Integrated Territorial Organization Klatorusha kani Karkhana plywood. Jong karyang do Umïam kebadan Umïam ban Dawa bakani ke Karkhana kiribin Thung kam regi Trai Jylla lakalong regi khasi ki jaintia negi garu. Ya gani kenhun jong ke Hito lailam du president ubadan bok dekar. Kelami ke jeng inya hapadeng utrai jong ke Karkhana bagi noilam jong ke Hito. Haga bagi Hito kamtria satya banyakan deketin pareng deketin Hindi ki kuat bagi Trai negi dong penya jong ke Karkhana. Kin keren bet deketin khasi hindi kamadin utrai ulakot dekanong Trai khasi ban penkala syau ke jengkeren jong noilam ke Hito. Haga jengkeren utrai ulakot ke noilam ke Hito banyak keren penbet naga benta bakumno unyo Thung kam Thung jam yaki khasi. Haga jengkeren utrai ulong bakam dan jing ban aikam yaki khasi. Ndek batieng kolong yo bakim Trai bhai ka kam bat ulak keliru bamunu ban ba khle lari kile ajaitu ke Hito kala syem ke jengkit khle bakan kit khle lari kile kam kai ya ka kam.
Ana keren kasih ban dia keren kasih. Nang keren parah. Nang. Kot di translate. Nang keren dia. Kan kasih. Unapan keren kasih. Abawan hari kasih di benang ban keren. Keren kasih, Pak. Sona. Nang keren. Bindang umum. Kasih letak. Naikkan saya. Translator ka आपका? Ya, translator. Long translate macam mana? Bengali. Kan ni dari Bengali na dari kasih na. Boleh umdan kasih seli penong boleh umdan kasih ra Trai ni ha factory Thung meh. Beli nak git meh? Ha? Kot me umdan kasih ra. Dan kasih ni Trai apa? Bahapan kerendung bendera split, ban translate don ya. Kasih jungi ban translate ya meh. Don ya. Ha? Don umdan na. Ai beli git meh? Git kulo. Itu kang mil pun kur kang mil lah. Beli gigit. Halo. Ma beli gigit. Up Shai! Up Shai! Up! Singap Shua! Ai tu kemai ni? Ai tu kemai. Up Shai! Men paralo menjadi. Halo, ayo singap. It's okay. Hey, ada di sini angwan nak. Ban, aban. Aku kena. Asli jumsin.
I've joined like in 1 year.
Ang menjawab dulu.
Nanti long nomor baru.
Keren dijual api kata tu sama iura
One person at a time.
Snap semua ya. Keren fikam.
Nanti long ini macam di pet try ini, long ini di kun. Dia yang mau tay lah pet kun kan tanang sistem dia bilang pet kun.
Baik, abawan kadi gari jungi nai. Kadi ke pendo ke siap kadi kemai jungi denam. Semadalan, not hasidan. Besar madam.
Okay, I respect that.
Ngap. Kani haba piyo aja na kani kendo ke siap ke jungi. Kadi ke kemai jungi. Hai, selamat. Hai kau. Ema, ngap. Habangi burom ke kemai la jong nai. Kani ke care kadai ngi. Denam. Ya haban burom ngin boleh ngin ke kentang cingke. Im keren re sabar jong saya.
What is boss name?
Don bok.
Don Bok.
Tashong mesho.
Your name? Gary. Okay, so you are representing the union?
Tashong sore.
You're representing the union.
Ang yu ang bapet. Ngi wan daga kunhun. Nin ya keren nak benta ban yo kam yo dam. Kun kasi ndai tang kun kasi hindai kasi jantia garo ka fast preference.
MP Suyang boleh, MP Suyang tong le.
Yeah.
People they get the job, get the person. Respect this year.
So we are providing job to Kasi.
Kata dia tak ni tempo tu ni dia break it. Ni yo lah.
Am kan namar ka license ka keren dokumai phi yo pentrai dokumai.
Because it is as per license, it's different with what like what it is. As per license, it's different.
As per license is different.
Like I think you're saying that the whole that's
Ka license kala ai ki bomdei ban palat ban thung nong
We have spoken to the entire and we have requested us, we have given jobs also. But mostly the jobs here require also labor work.
respect the motherland.
like so that you can give job.
Ka fast preference di nungkong do yo kasi.
So we can sit and we'll have to talk it out with the top management.
Hang neng ni kira. Ha bashir.
Em long ta cái này cái nói thì cô ai để long đi bật cái đó cái management em chung luôn cái long đi cái hàng show cái management
Em khi ha kamut pe pem dei try.
Boleh you try
Kamut pem dei ru try umla an try.
boleh pilih ambil jom model try
This is top management. This is not just
Ai kalis ka nungut kinom try kasi try ni kata ka baningkong. Menta pelek so kata. Syukur PB pass na class 12. Menta PB thap kat kum ka tu ba ya ta kat kum ka kategori ka jong bi ka kum ma.
not required.
Ay buram dia ke song mo. Song. Ya song itu gimana dapat dari yang rekop.
Got it. If they are not willing, exactly. Got it. We don't have problem with that. We have tried this. We have tried this before. We have tried hiring local people.
Tendang
Everyone are applying for job nowadays, so everyone is ready to work. So
Okay, if they are working
Hindi
properly,
tang
we
kani
don't have.
hindi tang hang ni industri sa barokhat kini kibadan hadam kajo ka.
every industry is like this. Yeah, not only this one, not only us, but for every.
Keren ni kantin kasi namar baka sarkar India kalat ban wandur ban penrung ya kantin kasi kernet ko prata kadaw ni keren nang ni yano ni keren bi kantin kasi biso tu pilawan sini bi di betul bai kita hindi bangi kenpo ni kenyu handrai bangi kwa bang burom bang kiru bi ban tip no ban nang ban keren ni kantin kasi
That's what they are saying because they are talking because we are even the government now they are neglecting to read the word like language Khasi language. So we are from Khasi, so it's better we are talking Khasi.
Get him my laptop once. Get my laptop.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to show him something. Tell him I have to show him something that if I'm learning Khasi or not. Get my laptop.
Up in orang laptop ni mah.
Trying.
Yang kan apa yang ni?
You think I'm not trying to learn Khasi? That is vast point. This is my laptop.
good.
I have been trying to learn Khasi to communicate with everyone here. It is an effort that I also want to make if I'm staying here, so that I can talk to you all in Khasi language. Because if I'm working here, I want to be a part of this land. This is not just any outsider coming in. If you're here, of course he's right. We're working in an outside place, but we have to learn the language here, and I am taking an effort. And this is an example. Are you agreeing with this one?
Dia tang maroi ma pi kan thai kasi ni.
Kami dah ni anu kalau mau ikut.
Kadang ngarngot kasi factory ngarngot kan ka factory. Sangarngot ka batay tang laingon. Tang laingon kilebor ni ka factory fitap ka jinungot kilebor ang dito. Ay banungot kilebor ko kuntep sa katay kasi jungi kanu gidon. Banungot.
Menrak mentah tapi igelis jugi. Ini pe.
Sim kalis jogi ngan
Menrak mentah ngini pe igelis.
Whatever it is possible.
Dari susus jungi pula ya bambu kasi jugi wiaskan. Ganja tu siapa?
Get the list from the head office. Tell him the head office is important. We have to get the list from there. So what is the list of demands? Just get them that for now, and we will revert back to that to him after we contact from there.
Ay kata kalis mah langi pada head office jungi kena coba kita kami have contact.
Benih saya kalis bangi kwa. Ye kita ki lokal jungi kat nungut lo training ni kwa ban petai ki jong jong sha.
Ada pun lo office ni bawa drive
Kan kamne le ham try udon.
office sudah ni.
Katakan makan ulang mentah
Kidon hang ni, kiri kot dia benar.
ke details ke pertai teknologi mentah. One button one click lah yo. Lamdan bu ta kita ikan don. Apa kidiang dia punya yang ni rengi itu bahagi pun legal.
Tell him we want to give job. It's not like we don't want to give job, but just coming into a factory and then forcing someone, that is not how it's going to work. We have to be patient. And we can talk it out, and of course, if there is something, we can work it out in a very professional way.
ลองก็ตั้งกำนี่ตัวนี่ก็ได้ไม่ริมไอ้นี่ลองมันตาที่ลองมาอีกหลามันไรอย่างพวก
Ambek no gitu kita harga. Polisi sisian bawan hari kasih nengkong sejong kumna. Kedai nam. Di set up ke factory, di set up ke industri piong nengkong kekam ke jam dia kasih. Dah balai pan mentah. Kita lawan pan kam piong pengin suang ai kata gaya management pila dai pan ong nadu besang. Baknang ki beri nyau trap kinam ailat bawan ke industri.
Majority of the laborers of work, we will have to get as per policies like that.
I have to go to the policy once and have to cross-check if
So
what
now
he's
they're
saying.
asking that if you are coming for like applying for jobs, so why you cannot decide?
So ong kumne ke management jong pi. Sam ong ke management jong pi ong don bok change the policy. Na benta ki kon kari.
Like talk to the management and then you're not going as per the policy that changed the policy.
So we'll work it out. We'll work it out. It
Dai
cannot be
tang
done
wok ya
instantly.
dai kadai ban trekam.
Tell him-
Namar
tell him-
ngampa bagi kon samla jungi lengkar
Tell him to
selentis
give him
dia.
their application, tell him their demands,
I
and we will discuss it.
Undai tang ke application ke jungi what no kasi jentia garu bawan tap kam ang dai ban ban hok dai ban ai bet kat kum ko qualify. Ki BA ki MA ki labun ki bapa sano ki kin dai. Yagi ba ai khnang ye gini industries ban set up chaneru na banta ya no. Na banta yengi. Ke first preference yo local, second outsider tangkatai. It's not that we hate outsider. We love them. But first preference. If I come to your place also, you will do the same.
You come to my place.
If
I come to the area, first preference.
I would definitely, of course, if we're working here, we want to work collaboratively. It's not like we just want to give job to our candidates. We are not like that.
Yang minta
We can talk to English so that it's easier.
next time dangawan hang ni. Next time dangawan ngisi ekran dekat kasih. Te kumna bihon.
Help them on the spot. On the spot.
We will give
Trai,
them the demands.
Trai,
Tell them to give them the demands. This is in the head office. This is in the head office. People have gone for lunch. If you, whatever your demands, listen. Whatever your demands are, just give me a list of your demands. What all you want, I'll get back to you personally. I'll give you all the list of whatever that you need. I'll get back to you personally.
Kata kayaknya I should list nung try.
The list of the laborers.
Yeah, we'll get him. Tell him the list of his demands.
Kong, ong yu ai ka les bang ikwa ban tip anungut
Ye terus saya ke nomor kan nomor.
anungut kido kisnam jengi kitre hakani ka factory jong ni udkhar kita kawai bang ikwa
This is what I'm trying to tell him.
That's what they asked.
The number of people will come from the head office. Even I have joined recently. I'm also trying to understand that.
sanu ka office
So,
ka
but
factory
the exact number, I'll get back. I'll figure out the exact number and I'll get back to him.
ha
So what are you gonna do?
benar sa tay ka factory ka nan ni
Ngap kong, sama kong. Ha kan ikaw ka kerbo. Ong kum ni. Nadu minta kesengi, kinu ki khon kasi. Dane jantia garo ki one apply kam hang ni. They ban sim preference bejeki. So, pasapon. Pangsa kata ngan sabatay but nomor ka jorong.
So from now onwards, sir, the first preference for if anyone is applying for job, the first preference will be first Khasi people.
Noted.
Khasi jantia garo.
First Khasi jantia garo. The first preference should be.
Bat kebaar.
So they also have to be willing to work, no? Not just they can come and they just in a light way. They have to come, they're willing to work, not just they come and do not do any work. How am I factory done?
Am kata ke kamram ke jongi lada kim wak ngi latip mangi. Ong yu buat ye kitu ki kam ki baki khasi ki mla ru bantrai ru ki deban hikai ye ki lada kaduna tulop ru but kin lalong capable kin sayo ya tu kaju tu.
Even though the salary
We have taught them a lot.
yes,
They
even though
don't
the salary is we
sometimes.
low, but after teaching them,
So okay,
after knowing the work, then we can.
if I teach them and even if they don't do the work, what to do after that?
Thung Trai ye ki ngin siapa? Dari kim Trai ke jeng bak
Someone has to
ke
take
jongi.
responsibility of the
Ni
work.
sim responsible mangi na bantai ke jeng rio.
Lagi beri jungi.
Abang kita ni ke jongi ngin sim
We
responsible.
need a okay.
Nama
They are not willing to work.
Kasi jungi.
We'll need a contact person
Kibon.
to
Graduate kibon.
to take this ahead.
Ka account
We will
operate. Baru di lalu unang menteri baha udang de barang persyang. Tapi ay tulop yu kharsan najar ya kibla nang baha. Ay 10,000 mele yu beri jungi. Daula nang baha ay kat kum ko tulop bari banai. Nabi ong kum do. Kata ka de ka first preference ka jak po
Hindi
ka pian jakan de
kwa ye ki bakinum Trai ringi kwa aban Trai wat dar kim nang ru haba kilawan sani piwan da kata ka attention ban pen kiu ya gari ba ka jat ben rio ban pen kiu ya no.
Maru kasi baru unang menteri tambah hikai unsarang. Mano beri ulang ni au hikai.
Lada kiu ke factory ke kiu ru ka jat ben rio. Namar nang ni ke tax ke resource kami. Ke resource ke jungi in ke kam Trai ru mangi. Jadi ban buat tek ke timing kat kum ke license lada
time frame dong ka.
Him ya kat kum ke kendon umban se ngila ing la de complain ru ling bagi para jungi ki para dokhat henry ka sarkar me kala kam sim ka jing kele hin le hi mangi de ka kam namar ngi tip kum no ban ketik habas mi
Like what then if you're working like day and night apart from the night.
Kila
Like,
tam ya ka korban menteri.
the work hours is
day and night ban mi pasni ong kong ban mi pasni
exceed the like,
premium
exact what is it exact time of work.
Okay.
Exceeding the exact time of work. So that is not.
ong ya kat
Tell him.
kendon ni mdang jingwet
Tell him we will work on this.
Yung in pentri kami kata long ka ik above here.
kan efek na du menta kami ladangi dang tip sani hagano kano ngimwan kumukan mo air slap ka air lang
Yeah. Okay. We'll
Should be as per the rules and regulations and policies.
and also ask him for ask him for whom to contact. We will be hiring this, but whom
Home to contact.
to contact for if in case things We're working with them, and if they're clear, we'll immediately contact you.
I want to see how it functions.
Basically, this is the boiler. This is from where the whole factory is going.
Ako, ang kali ubalay man ay kitang ayu gato bat pentedam hadu ka gato. Ya gato
What you are burning that
This is burning our waste products.
gato gi permission nam naka pollution control board.
We have a pollution control device. We've invested a very huge amount in this so that we don't produce any black smoke.
Pankot pollution. Kini gato ka video babari pankot pollution. Ya gato man sa iyo hadin.
By you guys are?
Media press. Media.
We installed.
Just now, that's what. Otherwise you will not enter.
We installed a pollution device. How is it possible?
See, information. The date, the year.
We'll have to look into it because we invested in our user. We'll have to talk to our supplier then. Why is it
In
happening?
the media also they get those. See.
We'll talk to our supplier if they're giving us this and they're not.
Kani kamlong ra. Kani gahaban ra municipal ko di ban pe. Hindi ra ban yala man ni. Kani iya ada komisten sabar baje mi. Apa ikan arsten. Ka polisi ka siya adu kanu biji pang ipse ban ple. Sansteng kan.
Thousand step.
Even Trai ni arso benda.
Have to got time. We'll have to check with my people because even I am here.
Kam lebor ru borok khait di ban cross check ndai ro ban ji tang ban yawan kamai spa. Dal. TV3 ni pemke.
Kadang ni mesin lu ang gibam pardon license gi punya.
Yo kamba kunta pa bidam di machine.
Machine sa bawah license na.
Nilai bisnes silang ya, katay ro katay mdah niya. Nay niya, nay. Yung mata dete. Ya, yung kyo natay sa ya.
Apa pinjalan mo ni?
You're seeing what I'm doing, right? I'm a living example of showing you how much we want to do.
Wah.
Wajar di bentuk bahasa ayu pat.
Ay hamar mak nanda. Ini dan hamar mak. Ini bendon illegal.
Makale ini kiting illegal
No,
lagi ni.
hamar mak. No hamar mak is there. No, illegal. Yes. Yes, no hamar mak. Kemlok. No hamar mak. It's illegal.
Oi,
TV.
oi, pakai apa?
It's illegal.
Mem, oi, baterai kasih meleleh matang tray.
Di pintu sudah tadi.
Kenal tu try kong.
We will have enemies labor. No point like taking out and saying like they're aliens. They're not alien creatures.
Alien.
Balik tempat sini ada dustbin
What?
tempat kita.
We have told them so many times. We are taking efforts.
Kalau
also.
bisna dustbin, mungkin bisna
They
ayu
put
dah.
dustbin, negotiate. Laborers, we can't. That's how laborers are.
Ring lang kasi kita gi mesin tay, gi mesin.
Oh, this license customer mana? This gini. All this
Pidan dukan marbam, ndey. Compare la ka bered, ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe, kum ki restaurant, bat ki way, ni pishat roti shat kiek, bat ki way, na ka benta ka koi ka kya jonggi pat ba nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka jing shanya naki, pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka, ka bala itu da ka an, kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril, ling ba ka section lai puway iway. Kamde ka ba ba pinyo ka license, pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website fastcus.fssai.gov.in da ko pihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum kajajing kam jongpi pila ru banyak kendo iki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jongu lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamegalaya latno tang is khasihers pila benlet bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kwat kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.